feel like your mind is so cluttered with so much thoughts? And in order to declutter the mind, a lot of the thoughts are actually things. For me, it's a lot of things, meaning physical things. Today, I wanted to share with you my number one tip on how to get lighter in the thoughts by letting go of things. Okay, so here it is. It's super simple. It's September. And every September, starting on September 1st, I call this, so in order for me to sometimes take massive action, I love to create challenges for myself. So September is the month that I usually take major action of releasing things. And what I call it is my September So Long Farewell Challenge, where every day I either let go of a piece of an item, I donate it, I trash it, recycle, or maybe I just simply put it away. I'm sure you totally understand what I'm talking about, right? Where you've got things lying around the house that you know you can simply put away or release, put it in the trash, recycle, donate, whatever the case may be. In fact, here's an example. I have had this plate of shells, coral, that has been sitting in my car for, dare I even say, like 2 years now. To be honest with you, it moved from my house to the car with the intention of me letting it go, bringing it back to the ocean. And I am finally here today, but wow, it's taken me this challenge to finally get this done. But I'm finally bringing these items back to their proper place, to the beach, to be released back into the sand, into the ocean, into nature. So this is my simple tip, is basically creating a challenge for yourself, and take a month to do it, because in a month you'll find that every single day, even if it's a small item that you can release in whatever way, trashing, donation, purging, giving it to someone, whatever, it gets easier and easier, and it actually makes it super duper fun. So yes, September is the month, but throughout the year, I will start to challenge myself. And sometimes the challenge doesn't have to be very long. It doesn't need to be a whole entire month. It could be a week, I would say, at the minimum. But the whole point is, again, consistency is key. And this is how I've learned to, one, I need to make things always fun for myself in order to take huge action. And it totally works. And I've gifted and been able to pass on some amazing items to really good friends, family, or sometimes the item, its purpose is pow. Its purpose is done, and it's time to retire it. So it goes into the trash bin or recycle bin. So that's my tip for today, for you to breathe aloha, creating flow and harmony in your life by letting go of things, or simply maybe even just putting things away. I hope that you would join me on this challenge or create one for yourself sometime soon. And what I love doing is doing it in September, because then I'm preparing myself for the new year that's rolling in, which is really right around the corner, and feeling lighter. And when I feel lighter, I feel happier. And when I'm happier, of course, I'm breathing aloha. Thank you so much for popping in today for another experience episode, and I'm wishing you a beautiful day from Hawaii. Remember, you are supported and loved, and again, make sure today that you breathe aloha. A hui hou for now.